family. I think sinasabi niya, yung family is the one telling him na nandun under detention illegally si Gutesa sa kamay ng Philippine Marines. Also, he has evidence now to prove na under duress talaga yung detention. No? So, at this point, yung AFP ba, nakakontak na rin sa pamilya kasi alam ko hindi naman natatapos at napuputol yung relationship ng isang retired sa institution. So, was there any effort to contact them and verify kung totoo ba in the first place na sila nagsasabi na gano'n ang nangyayari kay Gutesa?
The statement of the AFP and the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps has already categorically denied that Gutesa is under the protection of the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps, or he is being held without his permission. So, nasabi na kanina ng ating Navy spokesperson, wala sa Philippine Navy, wala sa Philippine Marine Corps. He has been retired for a long time.